So let's move on the example. So we are going to talk about how to compute the G-score. First of all, to compute the G-score, we need to get the mean and the standard deviations for this data set. In this case, mean is 12. Standard deviation is 2. So as a first step, we need to get the each number minus mean. So in this case, 12 minus 12 is 0. And 15 minus 12 is 3. And minus 1 and 1 and 4 and so on. So what is the second step? We need to do those numbers and divide by the standard deviation. So standard deviation 0, the 1 divided by 2 is the 0, and the 3 divided by 2 is the 1.5, and minus 0.5, 0.5, and minus 2. Those numbers are G-score. Those are the G-score. So if we draw the G distribution, this is the mean, and this number should be a mean 0, which is 0, and this number here and plus 0.5 in here, and 0.5 is here, and minus 2 is here in the G distribution. So actually G distribution is there are two parts. One part is this side, which is the left side from the mean, and the other part is right side from the mean. This left side from the mean, the scores are the negative in the G distribution, and the right side, the scores are the positive. But G distribution is the symmetric, which means that if we talk about the probability or percent, this top side, the probability is the 50, or the other side also half of the other side, the probability or percentage should be 50. So using this characteristic of the G distribution, we can compute the probability for the scores. Yeah. So I will give you one example. So what percentage of the all the scores fall below a G score of the 1 plus 1? That means if we want to know the percent of the score, the first, as the first step, we need to draw the G distribution and find the area we want to know. So we want to know the below a G score of the plus 1, right? This is the 0, which is mean, and this is the 1 standard deviation from the mean. So we want to the area this area, right? But as I mentioned before, the half of the area, half of the distribution is the 50%, right? That means we only know this area. We only need to know this area. So the area between the 1 and 0 to 1 is 34.13. So, but we have to compute the percentage of the all this area, right? So that means we need to sum up the 50% and this area, which is 34.13. So that should be 84.13. So all of this area $84.13. So last of the problem, I think let's do last of the problem.